The names and nationalities of the prisoners at Guantanamo Bay were released after a lawsuit was filed by the Associated Press, claiming that the Freedom of Information Act permitted the public to obtain information about these detainees. Once this information was released, the public discovered that Uthman had not had access to a fair trial, so he was being held illegally in U.S. custody. In 2010, the United States finally held a military tribunal based on unreliable witnesses to determine Uthman's sentencing. According to Habeas Corpus, all prisoners must be brought before a judge to determine if they will either be lawfully released or made aware of the charges brought upon them that have caused them to be held in U.S. custody. That being said, when Uthman was detained and held for 18 years without a fair trial, the United States violated domestic law. According to U.S. law, habeas corpus guarantees prisoners a right to a fair trial unless it endangers the public. Uthman was a part of Osama bin Laden's security details, so he is considered a terrorist in the international community just as bin Laden was. Therefore, the U.S. did not violate any domestic laws. The evidence against Uthman comes from 3 witnesses, one of which has been deemed unreliable due to psychotic behavior and an attempted suicide, and the other 2 had been tortured before and during CIA detainment. Therefore, the evidence acquired from these witnesses is not admissible in court and henceforth cannot qualify a prisoner as a danger to public safety.